To set alarm clock on this Samsung Galaxy A57, open clock application for the first. Now click here on this icon, and you can use currently created preset, or you can just create a new one by clicking on the plus. And what you can do, first of all, you can of course change time of your alarm. You can also set repeat or schedule this like you want. Next, we can change its name by clicking here. Now we can also turn on and off sound, or we can change its sound. We can use default ringtones. We have to grant permission into our phone, and we can gradually increase volume. We can get to read time and alarm name aloud. We can set default sounds, or we can set a custom if we already have them on our phone. We can also use Spotify or Bixby alarm. When you go for vibration, it looks the same. We can change vibration pattern, we can turn off, turn on vibration, or we can adjust its strength. Here you can adjust snooze. So for example, 10 minutes or even custom time, and you can also set repeat or turn it off. Here you can also group alarms if you need, and you can change its background. So you can even set a photo from your gallery if you really need it. Like for example, I want to get this one. I have to click done. And now if I'm gonna get this ringtone, this alarm, it will look just like this. And I have to click save. And here, when I'm gonna turn it off or off, I can see when it's gonna ring. And also it's visible at the top.